Let's go.
Steve's birthday surprise.
Right in the back. I got a meeting. I'll be back.
I'm going to take a wild guess you're Steve. Are you Steve, sir? I was told you were very tall. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hey, what's up?
Very nice to see you. Come out here, Reverend.
Oh, my God. Oh,
yes.
my lovely
Hello.
wife.
Happy birthday!
You know what? There is more room and there's more people out here.
Oh.
Do the presentation in the next one.
Presentation.
Are you
Because yes,
surprised?
there is a presentation.
Am I
and
surprised
want
there's
to
a
have
dancing,
plenty
singing
of room.
chicken?
Oh yes, they dance. Don't you know the chicken dance?
Yeah,
All right. Oh, this is much better out here.
you're all in on it.
Here we go.
All of you.
Thank you. Steve, this is for you.
Thank you.
All right. Don't look at the card just yet, because that's part of the program.
Okay.
Walk, 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 walk. Oh, excuse me, better ball. Okay. Well, someone wanted to say happy birthday today in a very unusual way. How'd they do with the unusual part?
Pretty good.
Good.
Very good.
So they sent you this tune and this bunch of balloons to brighten up your day. Oh, zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Hope you're having a wonderful day. There's plenty of sunshine headed your way. A zippity-doo-dah and zippity-yay. There is a big chicken on your shoulder. Man, you're tall. It's the truth, it is actual, and everything is satisfactual. Oh, zippity-doo-dah and zippity-yay. Wonderful feeling. Happy birthday.
Let's give it up.
You know what some people say to me when I do this? They say, wow, Chuck, I didn't know chickens had hands. These aren't hands, they're chicken fingers. But you know what? I would hate to offend any traditionalists we have here, so if you are the traditional type, this one is for you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Steve. Happy birthday to you.
All right.
This is where you find out who to thank or blame for this. Take a look at the card. What does it say? Please share it with the class.
It says Steve Antuna, happy 40th birthday. Love from Diana, Liv, and Tommy. I guess my other daughter didn't make it in, but that's all good. You're just a chicken. It's not your fault. It's not your fault.
But I think there is only one way to end this. Have you ever seen the football movie Remember the Titans with Denzel Washington?
It's been a while, but I know the film.
Oh, na 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 na, na 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 na. Hey, 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 goodbye. Na 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 na.
Thank you, Chuck.
Yeah.